When it comes to resources on mission, there are so many, and it can be a little overwhelming to know where to begin. One of the great books that I've loved is by Bosch, Transforming Mission. As you can see, it is a thick book. It isn't a book that you just consume easily. It's a book that you take bite-sized bits and you chew them over and you come back to. It's a fabulous book. He writes some brilliant material. One of the quotes that I love, and I'll just read to you, evangelism remains an indispensable ministry. It's not an optional extra, but a sacred duty. I think that's fabulous for us to hear and rehear. As an aid, they produced a reader's guide to Transforming Mission. This means that you can follow it through chapter by chapter with questions to discuss. There's some different ways of engaging with the material and processing it. Makes it ideal for a book club or a Bible study or a discipleship formation group. It's a worthwhile resource for sure. An easier resource, but still wonderful, is by Alan Roxburgh, Missional, Joining God in the Neighbourhood. What I loved about this book was that it's very clear that it isn't about the congregation, it isn't about the church, it's about the wider community. So if you're going to be a church, that means you're looking outward into the wider community. Roxburgh is really helpful in doing that.